so glad that you tuned into my channel, Southern Delight. I have got so much in store for this month. I am so excited because we are getting ready to plan a baby shower. And you guessed it, it's a boy. Stick around and watch this little clip with me. The young man in that segment happens to be my nephew, and I am going to be hosting a baby shower for our side of the family. So right now I have the grandmother and the great-grandmother putting together a guest list for me to kind of give me an idea of how many people I'm going to be preparing for this party. And I hope that you'll stick around and watch my videos that I'm putting together. I'm going to be doing a baby shower here at my house. And we're going to be doing it from the beginning to the end. So I hope you'll go ahead, and if you haven't done so already, and click that subscribe button so that you can continue watching me. And I also want to give out a big thank you to all of those that have been following me and watching my videos. I have finally reached my first milestone. I have gotten 5,000 views, and thank you for that. And I hope you'll continue watching me. But for now, let's get started, and I'm going to show you how to build a 4-wheeler diaper cake. Items that you're going to need to complete this project with. You're going to first need to start with some diapers. For this particular project, I used the stage 1 diapers. This is not stage 1. This is something I'm using for another project, but this is Parents' Choice. And like I said, I used the stage 1 for this one. You'll need 2 blankets, 2 paper towel rolls. These are some puffs, the Gerber puffs. You can get these in Walmart in the baby section. You'll need to get some rubber bands. You'll need at least 4 of those. Some ribbon. This is some Huggies wipes. You'll need a baby bib and some socks. Then what I have is a piece of cardboard that I cut out. And I started with one of the baby blankets, and I just took it and I wrapped it around here, and then I taped it there and made like a cute little platform area. Then the next step that I did was I had taken a 6-inch bowl that I had, and I'm using a 6-inch because I had played around with this before I did the video and found that this was the kind of how high I wanted the tires and so forth, and this kind of keeps it snug in there where it's not real hard to put together. What you need to start doing is placing your diapers in the bowl here and keep them all going around in the same direction, and you want it to kind of be really snug and tight in there because you want it to look real neat. And then when you get those all in there, take a rubber band like this, wrap it around like that, and you want to do 4 of these so that you'll have something that looks like this. And you can take your ribbon and drape it around here and hot glue it, and then you've got the wheels to this project. Let me set this aside. Then the next step you're going to want to do is to take your baby blanket and you want to roll it up to where it's real tight and looks snug like this. Take your baby wipes, place this around the baby wipes like this. Take your rubber band, place on there because we're making some handlebars. It's going to be so cute. But you want to take it like that, and then your little socks here are going to be your handle grips. Just take these. And I found most of these projects I picked up, a lot of them I picked up from the Dollar Tree, some of them I picked up from Walmart's. Just what I did was I played around with a theme and colors and such that I liked. And when I go places, when I visit those baby aisles or whatever, I'll just pick up little things here and there. But most of this stuff you can always find at Walmart and the Dollar Tree. That kind of, especially if you're doing trying to keep things on a budget, that really helps keep prices down. If you have a certain theme that you like, a lot of times you can go to like Belk's or other places like that and find the items that you're wanting to get. Okay, and you'll take it there. And then what you'll need to do is a little snack thing here. Fits snugly right under there. Kind of serves as like a little light there for your 4-wheeler. And then the last step is just get you some hot glue. And you'll want to hot glue this little baby down there. And then what I'm probably going to do on mine is I'm going to put some more ribbon here. Once it's hot glued down, I'm probably going to take some plastic wrap, and I'm going to plastic wrap it. And then this is what I'm going to actually use on my gift table as a centerpiece. Like you always want to have like a little gift table for people to bring the diapers and so forth, and the little presents and stuff, and then this is just going to be a centerpiece on that table. And I thought that was a really cute, fun project. So this was project number 1 down, so stick around because I've got plenty more to show you.